Are you curious about how AI is revolutionizing the business landscape? Join us for this insightful video where we explore the impact of AI on the way we work, make decisions, and interact with customers. I am Linda Granfors.
And I am Alessandro Carpentiero. We at Beyond Sapiens help you and your team maximize your productivity.
AI-based automation is rapidly transforming industries, enabling companies to increase productivity, improve customer service, and enhance their operations. One of the most significant benefits of AI-based automation is its ability to automate routine and repetitive tasks, freeing up human resources to focus on more complex and strategic work. For example, when it comes to customer service, AI-powered chatbots can handle basic customer questions. By implementing AI-based automation in your customer service operations, your team can focus on delivering top-quality service to selected customers, while the chatbots handle routine and repetitive tasks. This will not only satisfy the customers, but enables people in the customer service roles to maximize their time usage and focus on more demanding and interesting cases, which increases job satisfaction and skill development too. But AI-based automation is not just limited to customer service. In the tech industry, AI-powered software development tools are revolutionizing how we approach coding, for example. Traditional software development tools often require manual coding, which can be time-consuming and prone to errors. AI-powered software development tools, on the other hand, can automate many of these tasks, freeing up time for developers to focus on more complex coding challenges. The tool uses machine learning algorithms to identify patterns and suggest improvements, making it easier for developers to write high-quality code quickly. By using an AI-powered coding assistant, developers can receive real-time suggestions and feedback as they write code, which helps them improve their coding skills and problem-solving abilities. This translates into increased productivity, improved code quality, and real-time insights, enabling developers to make more informed decisions and write overall better code.
The holy grail for businesses is to predict what their customers want and personalize their products and services accordingly. This approach, if you think about it, dramatically increases growth while reducing risk. And AI-powered personalization plays a big role in that. Netflix is one example of a company that uses AI algorithms to recommend movies and TV shows to its users based on their preferences and activities. By providing personalized recommendations that get more accurate the more content you consume, Netflix increases both your satisfaction and retention, which is definitely a win-win for its business. Amazon is another big player that heavily uses AI for personalization, recommending products to customers before they even think about them. Talking of which, AI can help businesses anticipate customer needs and trends through predictive analytics. One example is Starbucks, which uses AI to personalize the customer experience through its mobile app. The app tracks customer preferences and behaviors, such as their favorite drinks, frequency of visits, and preferred payment method. With all this data, the app can make personalized recommendations and offers to customers, such as suggesting a new drink based on their past orders or offering a discount on their next visit. Additionally, Starbucks uses predictive analytics to forecast demand and adjust inventory accordingly, ensuring that popular items are always available at each location. This helps to improve customer satisfaction and loyalty while also increasing revenue for the company. With all this in mind, it's clear that using AI for personalization and predictive analytics offers numerous advantages. However, there are potential risks and challenges, such as algorithmic fairness, bias, and data privacy concerns. So it's crucial for businesses to ensure that AI algorithms are trained on diverse and representative data sets, regularly monitored for any signs of bias, and most importantly, used ethically and responsibly.
In today's fast-paced business world, companies must make quick, informed decisions to stay competitive. However, with large amounts of data to analyze, decision-making can become complex and time-consuming. That's where AI can help you. AI can enhance decision-making and improve business outcomes by analyzing more significant amounts of data and providing insights that could be difficult to retrieve with traditional methods. For example, consider a software development company that uses AI to analyze user data from its application. By analyzing user behavior, preferences, and usage patterns, the company can gain insights into the most popular features and how users interact with the application. This can help the company make important decisions about which features to prioritize for development and which ones may still need improved scoping. Additionally, the company can use AI to predict potential problems, such as bugs or crashes, before they occur, enabling them to take proactive measures to mitigate risks. Even though AI can be a valuable tool for decision-making due to its objectivity compared to our human nature, it's important to note that AI is not a replacement for human reasoning. Instead, it should be seen as a tool to supplement and enhance our decision-making. With that in mind, you should work closely with AI systems to ensure that the insights provided align with your company's goals and values. In this way, AI can be a valuable asset to improve decision-making and achieve greater success in the fast-moving business world.
And given how quickly the business world moves, efficiency is now more than ever crucial for success. This is where AI tools and technologies can make a big difference. For instance, in manufacturing, AI can analyze large datasets to optimize production schedules, reduce downtime, and prevent equipment failures. General Electric, for example, has harnessed the power of AI to monitor its jet engines and predict maintenance needs. AI can also work wonders in logistics. By analyzing shipping data, AI-powered tools can optimize delivery routes, reduce delivery times, and improve supply chain visibility. This has already been put into practice by companies like UPS and DHL, who are using AI to optimize delivery routes, reduce fuel consumption, and manage logistics operations. And that's not all, as AI can also be deployed to optimize energy consumption by monitoring and controlling heating, cooling, and lighting systems. This not only helps reduce energy costs, but also helps lower carbon emissions, something critical if we want to keep on inhabiting planet Earth in the long run. So, no matter the industry, the future of business efficiency is undoubtedly intertwined with AI-powered technologies, and companies that embrace it will have a significant advantage.
As we have seen in this video, AI is revolutionizing how we do business by providing valuable insights, enhancing decision-making, and improving business outcomes. As AI continues to evolve and become more sophisticated, we can expect to see even more significant changes in how we do business in the years to come. We are excited about the future and would love to help your company prepare for it in the best possible way with our data-driven Beyond Productivity program. If you think we could help your teams be more productive and equipped for the future, we would love to talk with you over a call that you can book through the link in the description.
And if you want to gain innovative ideas and solutions to increase productivity in your business, then please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our weekly research-based videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.